In this video, I'm going to show you whether or not your chats in NotebookLM actually disappear when you leave the application. I'll start by doing a quick search to see what the current standard is, and as you can see, the latest updates confirm that your chat history is now saved automatically. This is a huge relief for anyone worried about losing their progress after closing a tab. To test this myself, I'll head back to the NotebookLM dashboard and click Create New to start a brand new notebook. I'll go ahead and upload a PDF source file, and once that's processed, I'll start a conversation by clicking one of the suggested prompts to see how it handles the document. The AI begins generating a very detailed response, outlining everything from audio overviews to study materials. I'll scroll through the output to make sure it's all there. Now, for the real test, I'll click the logo to go back to my main dashboard and even refresh the browser to make sure the session is completely reset. When I look at my recent notebooks, the one I just made is right at the top. When I click back into it, you can see that the entire chat history is still right there, exactly where I left it. Your conversations are safely stored, allowing you to pick up your research or creative work at any time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.